I ordered from the Cheesecake Factory some cheeseburger spring rolls, which is what they are. Unfortunately, I got distracted by a phone call and didn't actually review them, so. Oh god. Hello, welcome to 2 Minute Travel. This is a food review today, and the place we're getting the food from is a place called Dave's Hot Chicken. Now they're a new import here to Toronto, and I got the light mild, which is here. And so in front of us we have a chicken tender, we have a slider, we have some fries. You gonna try some? Go on, have a try. You let me know how the fries are. The slider's also for you if you wanted it. And the review is...
Would be better fresh.
Ooh. Would be better fresh. That's disappointing.
I noticed that there was a pickle in there.
It was not supposed to be. Okay, we're gonna try the chips.
It's just cold and soggy.
Yeah. Cold and soggy. What's up?
Can you try that? No?
Okay, well, I'm gonna record both of them side by side. Hey, today we're gonna be reviewing Dave's Hot Chicken. But before we do that, let's check out... Oh, let's check this out. So Kathryn has cooked some actual chicken, which is here. This is fresh chicken versus the Dave's chicken. Let's try Dave's first. Here we go. Nice seasoning, but they're pretty old. You can definitely taste the pickle, even though it said no pickles. This is the fresh chicken. So much better. Like, honestly,
And cheaper.
skin is crispy, it's well cooked, well seasoned. Bloody McCain, she's done it again. Kathryn Kenning. She's beaten the fried chicken joints. Dave's Hot Chicken, you may be an import, but
Can't beat Kathryn's organic meat.
can't beat Kathryn's organic meal. I give Kathryn's chicken solid 10 out of 10. Dave's Hot Chicken, like 4, 5, 4.
What do you really give my chicken now, to be honest?
Okay, 9. But
No, but seriously.
it's beautiful.
Really?
Uh-huh.
You like the seasoning?
We're also being recorded, but yes. Okay, we're done.